So good evening. Ito nga pala yung ginawang code na ATM machine. So ito. Tapos run natin. So username Carl James, password. So deposit 1K. So tapos check balance 2K. Withdraw tayo ng 1K again. Tapos check balance, yun. So log out. Then thank you.